Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install reporting lost card and restoring access on Capital One. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Capital One homepage. Look for the sign in option located at the top right corner of the page. Click on sign in to access the login portal. If you have forgotten your login credentials, click on the forgot username or password link. You will be redirected to a page where you can recover your username or reset your password. For username recovery, enter the required information as prompted, then click Continue. For password reset, enter your username along with other requested information, then click Continue. Once you have received the reset link via your email, follow it to set a new password. Return to the Capital One homepage and sign in using your recovered username and new password. Now that you are logged in, navigate to the Account Services section. Look for the option labeled Lost or Stolen Card. Click on it to report your lost card. You will see a series of prompts to confirm your identity and the details of your card. Follow these prompts carefully to ensure your report is processed correctly. After reporting your lost card, you will have the opportunity to order a replacement card. Confirm that you would like to receive a replacement and provide any necessary information. Once your request is submitted, you will receive a confirmation notification. Your new card will be mailed to the address on file. If at any point you encounter issues, consider reaching out to Capital One customer service for assistance. You are now updated on how to report a lost card and regain access to your account on Capital One. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.